Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to make quiz reels on Instagram. It's a simple process. Just follow me till the end and you'll be on your way to creating reels with quizzes on them. So it's quite simple. Once you're here in your profile, click on the top right corner to post or upload a reel. You can do this in other ways as well, but this is just for an example. As you can see here, I'm going to create a reel by recording a video through my camera. You can upload any piece of content that you want. It really doesn't matter. Once you have created or uploaded the video, just click on this button where it says next. After this, you can click on the second button on the top, which is the stickers button. Make sure you have your app updated because this is a new feature and you might need to get the latest version of Instagram for this to work. Once this is done, you will see that quiz is an option. Just click on quiz. Put in the question, type in the options. You can even add options if you want to. Click on done. Once you click on next, you will see that these are all your upload settings. Make sure you have all the settings the way you need them. Just after all of this is done, click on share and your new reel will now get shared on Instagram. Once it is shared, you can come back on your profile and see that it is uploaded. As you can see here, it is there on my feed. And now you can interact with it. I can click on nope and it works pretty well. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can easily make quiz reels on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.